Hello and welcome to In the Courtroom. I'm your host Kay, and today we're going to be inside of the Honorable Judge Cedric Simpson's courtroom today. Let's jump in.
Court calls the case of the People versus Thomas Gett.
Prosecuting Attorney Martha Barroso on behalf of the people.
Good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor. Stephen Dodge on behalf of defendant. Yeah, right here, Tommy.
Switch on. Okay. Now that we have everybody in place. All right, what are we doing?
Your Honor, the state and time set for continued pretrial. Again, I've had the pleasure of discussing this matter with the assistant prosecutor. I believe
Pleasure?
Yes.
Barroso? Really?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Absolutely,
Okay.
sir. And I believe we have a resolution, the terms of which my client will plead guilty as charged. He would be placed on I suspect it's called a delay of sentence. Is that right? Or
No, he'll be sentenced under a prosecutor's deferred.
No objections, no prosecutor's deferred.
okay. And that's what we have, Your Honor.
And Ms. Barroso, that's a correct statement?
That is correct.
May I have the defendant sworn?
Raise your right hand. You solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes.
State your name.
Thomas Getz.
All right, you can put your hand down. Or is this court's understanding you're going to plead guilty to the charge of assault and or assault and battery? That is a misdemeanor punishable by up to 93 days in jail, up to a $500 fine plus court costs. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Understanding that, you still wish to plead guilty?
Yes.
And to that charge, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Now, you understand that by pleading guilty, you'll not have a trial of any kind.
Yes.
You signed an advice of rights form today, is that correct?
Yes.
Any question regarding any of those rights?
No.
Please look at paragraph 5. You'll see a copy on the podium there. Probably hold the file.
Right there.
Those are your rights which are part of a trial. You understand that by pleading guilty, you'll be giving up those rights as well as all the rights of that form.
Yes.
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of right.
Yes.
Are you on probation or parole?
No.
Has anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated here today on the record to get you to plead to this charge?
No.
Anybody threaten or coerce? You're doing this voluntarily?
Yeah.
Of your own free will?
Yes.
And because you believe that you're guilty of this offense?
Yes.
September 12th, 2023, at the location of 2121 Oak Valley Drive, Pittsfield Township, Washington County, State of Michigan, what do you do regarding a Michael Bach that makes you think that you're guilty?
He's a referee, and there was just a disagreement on a call he made, and it got slightly physical. And
And during the course of that, did you grab him without his permission?
yes.
Everybody probably wants to know what sport were you playing?
Hockey.
Okay. All right. And you did it on purpose, sir?
Yeah.
It wasn't an accident. All right. Counsel, have I complied with the court rule? Would it be proper to accept this defendant's plea?
The people are satisfied, Your Honor.
Yes, sir.
Court will accept the defendant's plea of guilty to this charge. Defendant is referred to probation for a pre-sentence investigation and report. And consideration of prosecutors deferred. Sentencing in this matter will
Fighting. He was fighting
be March
after the game.
13th,
Which probably
2024,
happens, you know. It's a long
9
game.
a.m.
It's a long game. I'm gonna start scrapping it up.
Judge.
Bond will continue. Game.
The game was canceled, actually.
Oh, that bad. Shut the whole thing down. All right.